எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome back to our channel. Today we will see a saree draping tutorial which will be very useful for the younger generation to tie a saree for a Bharatanatyam dance practice by their own. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம 2 types of saree draping பார்க்கலாம். One is for a folk style and the other one is for a Bharatanatyam style. இந்த saree drapingக்கு நாங்கள் நார்மல் saree தான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், ப்ராக்டிஸ் saree இல்லை. ஸோ நார்மல் சாரீலையும் இந்த மாதிரி draping பண்ணலாம். This is the first type that is used for a folk dance or any semi-classical version song also. Step 1. Gather the inner end of the saree with approximately 4 inches in breadth. This gathering can be 8 to 10 in number. Use a safety pin to pin all the gatherings together. Now, place the gatherings at the back of your hip inside your legging or a pajama pant. The length of the saree after inserting should be till the knee. Step 2. Roll the saree on the waist evenly on all the sides. Bring the saree to the front side to place the front chest pleats. Step 3. Arrange the gatherings in such a way that we result in a perfect front pleat. Insert the extra saree portions evenly over the waist so that the dancer feels comfortable while performing the hand movements. The last step or step 4 is insert the leftover pallu or mundani however required. Now we will see the second type of saree draping called dhoti style. This dhoti style is a very comfortable style of saree draping for the Bharatanatyam dancer to dance freely. Step 1. From the inner end of the saree, partially divide the saree into 2 parts. Place a tight knot to connect the 2 parts of the saree. Now, insert the 2 parts between the legs. Insert the remaining portion of one part at the back waist. Also take a little part of the other long part and insert the same. Step 2. Gather the saree for the front chest pleat and pin them with the safety pin. Now Arrange the front pleats for the perfect finish. Insert the leftover saree portion at the back waist. Finally, pleat the leftover down part of the saree and pin it in the front part of the waist, and see to it that both the borders are matching with each other. Step 3 or the last step is the leftover pallu or mundani can be rolled and inserted as required. இந்த 2 types of saree draping உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் நம்புகிறோம். ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்கள். இன்னொரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான வீடியோவில் உங்களை சந்திக்கிற வரைக்கும், திஸ் இஸ் சரண்யா முருகப்பன் signing off. Thank you.